Okay, so what we're doing today, we're making a butter chicken, or at least I'm making a version of butter chicken. Predominantly an Indian dish with a lot of cream and a lot of butter. I'm gonna make it a little healthier. We're gonna use yogurt and we're gonna use cashew butter. It's gonna be our butter with some ginger and some garlic, and we're gonna throw in some of these awesome peppers that I got going on. So you can use a chili pepper, you can use Anaheim peppers, you can use whatever kind of pepper you like, because it's your dish, right? So be creative and make something fun. So I'm gonna take these guys and I'm just gonna kind of slice them up a little bit. This one over here, this one's gonna be your spice. We've got these peppers, they're all kind of diced up and chopped and ready to go, okay? In the meantime, I've got my little happy little tomatoes over here. Ooh, that got just burst on me. Did you see that? We're just gonna throw these guys up a little bit. Our next little phase here is we want to start working on all this ginger and garlic, and the best way to go about it is we're going to get our little handy dandy grater, and then we grab a couple of garlic cloves, about 4 of them, and we're just going to grate those guys in there too. Now what we need is a spoon, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and I'm using Greek yogurt, keeping things healthy. We got our Garam Masala. We're gonna throw that in there, just a bit of that, a pinch of some salt, and a little bit of pepper. We're gonna mix this stuff up. Okay, so next step, right? We already smoked my chicken. So now normally you can marinate it overnight. I'm doing it a little different. I've already put my chicken in the smoker. I put some spices on it, and I pretty much cooked it all the way through, but I'm just gonna score a little bit here on the chicken so that way I can rub this chicken with a little sauce that I made here. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick it in that skillet again, and we're gonna cook it up with the sauce. Rub that chicken down, we got it all happy. Now we gotta put a little olive oil in the pan. I scrape those up a little, and let's just put that back in there, okay? Just gonna round it up a little bit, okay? Close the lid up and let it relax, okay? Now we got to work on our tomatoes. We pulled the tomatoes out, and the thing that we got to do with these guys, we got to pull the skin off. See how easy those pop right off? We're going to take all those little skin off because they get a little chewy. Who wants chewy? You just want tomato, right? So that's what we're going to do with every single one of these guys. Oh, this one already has it off. Isn't that great? Some of them already fall off. Some you just have to pick off. So let's pull that off. Put it back in this bowl over here, okay? The one where we made our sauce. Remember we made our sauce? Put the tomatoes in with it. And our peppers. Then we take the cashew butter, throw that in. Okay? Let that melt. I'm gonna need a little water. I'm gonna let it heat up. I just need a cup, which is perfect. Look at that. And we're gonna just throw that whole cup of smoked water in there, like so. Working on the sauce, we're gonna let it thicken up now. You can see we've got it all in there. We got the cashew butter, we got the tomatoes and the peppers. You want it to work its magic and thicken up. Now it's time to take it and we're gonna put it right back into this pan here. Work that, get those bits. Let's get those bits. And we'll get that chicken. Look at all that goodness coming out. Oh man, that looks tasty. We got some yogurt, a little Greek yogurt, and we're just gonna ripple this stuff right on through here, okay? Put a couple of those extra little peppers we had left over, put those on top. Let's throw that in, let it sit for a couple of minutes. Okay, we got a couple of pitas. I can't wait, it's gonna be so good. All right, we're gonna pull this bad boy off, let's do it. Oh, look at it bubbling up. Oh, that looks so good. Set this bad boy right over here. Let's cut into this guy right here. Get a little sauce. We threw some of that sauce on the side. Yeah, I'm just gonna go two-handed. Oh man, the flavors. This tastes so good. I'm gonna dip some of this in now. That's what I'm gonna do. Get some of that tomato. Oh, I'm just gonna go nuts. Look at that. Wow. You get the spicy from those chilies, which has a really nice kick. But that tomato, I just dug right in there and just burst in my mouth, which was amazing. the chicken with the garam masala, the whole little thing that sauce that we put on top of it. I could imagine overnight with that would be even better. And again, make it the way you want to make it. Use whatever kind of meat you like. If you like chicken, you like beef, you like whatever you want. Do what you want, what kind of peppers you want. If you want to make it buttery and make it all whatever, then use cream and butter. Go nuts. I love it. This is really good. You're going to love this. You got to make it.